guys, this is Kelly from Hills, Deals, and Wills, mobile home investing course available on Vimeo, and we're gonna keep. So far, I think we only really seen 2 that were 3 bedrooms, 2 baths. Excuse me, guys. Excuse me. Let's see here. Like I said, guys, they got a ton of stuff out here. A ton. Looks like got a truck here too. Let's see. Because he does his own transport as well. And oh, we got another one with some stairs on it here. This beige and trimmed in green. We're gonna see. Now this home, this is the one we just came out of with the big tarp on it. It's got a lot of fire damage. You can see the edge. Hey, this is easy fix, guys. This siding, that's nothing. That's an easy fix. Looks like they got a rope on the door. Let's go see what we're working with here. Guys, they got this. Let's see. I don't know if I can get into this one. Oh, I got the dogs on me. Woo! Look at that, guys. I gotta be careful in here. I don't really want to shut the door because I don't want the dogs to fall through here. Another one. Another big one with a fireplace. Not that bad, guys. Not that bad. Double wide. Nice little kitchen. You guys know every time I see some wallpaper, I freak out. So, wallpaper makes it look a little dated. Let's see. I don't really like to touch stuff, guys. Especially with this COVID going on here. Okay, so our data plate is missing, so can't tell what year this is. For sure. Something going on with the subflooring. And look at that fireplace, guys. It's a through and through white fireplace. So it goes from this side, and we look over here. Okay, so very nice. All right, through and through fireplace. Very spacious. Nice master. No central air though. We got an issue here. You can see right down to the bottom. An issue here with the floor. But all in all, very nice. You know what, guys? I don't know. This is like a master bedroom. And then when we go over this way, it looks like some kind of sitting area. I don't know. These homes he's getting, man, they're huge. You know, huge. But you got to get it before you rehab them. It's going to cost you an arm and a leg. You see right here, guys, the floor is wet and the subflooring. And we have 2 different types of towel here. So we got some drama going on in this bathroom, that's for sure. But it looks like the walk-in shower is very nice. So, it's a double wide. Very nice. Very nice. Let's see what we got on the other side. Got a large master bedroom over there. Some hideous wallpaper over here. We're going down the hallway here. And, woo. Wow, we got some issues here with the, I don't think I have to point my finger so you guys can see. That's a lot of work there, guys. But it's doable, Looks like they've already, I'm going to pick out the towel for this particular bedroom. So this is a 4-bedroom home, guys. My God, this is sitting on a 4-bedroom. Okay, let's take a break. Okay, a 4-bedroom, 2 bath. Man, y'all just don't know. You're sitting on a gold mine. these 4-bedroom, 2 baths, man, are amazing. They're amazing. The only thing is, right now, no central air, but I'm sure he'll put it in if he rehabs it. Again, this is Kelly from Heels, Deals, and Wheels, Mobile Home Investing Course, available on Vimeo.